ma'am.
Today we are going to continue and try to end exercise 3.2. Okay, we have learned all the four methods of calculating out square roots. Now, if it is not given in the question which method you want to apply, it's up to you. You can use. But in some questions, type of questions, the method is required because with that method only the question can be solved. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start with the today's class. Okay. So let's see we have to do question number 5. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
We have to do question number 5, 6. Okay. 5 and 6 I have done. But first of all, let's understand the method and then you will be observing your book. Okay. 5 or 6. Okay. And that's, let's see, start with. See, now the first concept is what should be added to. In the previous exercise, when we were doing perfect square, we have learned what should be multiplied to, what should be divided to. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are learning what should be added to get a perfect square and what should be subtracted to get a perfect square. For added to and for, first let's see for added to what we have to do. For added to, let us, I have taken a number 27285. For this, what I will be doing, I will be first taking out its square root. What I will be taking out?
Square root.
Now, what method should be applied? See, in the case of prime factorization methods, we get multiples. Yes or no? But we do not get the exact difference. Yes? Do we get?
No, ma'am.
So,
No,
but
ma'am.
in case of long division method, what we get? Remainders? Yes or no? What is extension
Yes,
of
ma'am.
less? So, that's why in added to and subtracted to, which method of square root will be taken? What we will take? Long division method. So, I have already calculated it for you. See, am I correct or not? 22785, making pairs from right to left. That is 85 is one pair, 72 is one pair, 2 is one pair. 1 ones are 1 minus and 1 will be added. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 72 copy. 6 6 are 26 into 6 is 156 minus and so on. I hope you can understand. You can see and understand what I've done. Or should I explain it again? This much. So 6 added to 2, we got 32. 26 added to 6, added with 6, 32, and then copied 85. So got it. Then multiplied with 5, got this. And after doing all, when we were exhausted with all the numbers, what is there? There was a remainder 60. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? So now what? It is a statement based question. So let's see. We have to prove with that. So what we observe? 285 is not a perfect square. Yes?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And since we get a remainder 60, that means what? The perfect square less than 27285 is 165. Right or wrong? 165. and that is 27225. Yes or no? And
Yes.
since we have to add on number, so we have to check the next square. Yes or no? And what will be the next square number? 166. If we will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
subtracting, we will be getting less number, right? But if we have to, our question says what must be added, not what must be subtracted. Question is what must be added. So अगर 27285 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है, इसका मतलब इसमें 60 ज्यादा है, तो ये 165 का स्क्वायर कितना है? 27225. So if we check for 166, that is the next perfect square will be 166 square. Yes or no? And that is means the number which we have, that is it is between 165 square and 166 square. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what can we do? If I find out the difference between these two numbers, that is 166 square and 27285, then I will be getting the add-on number or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Extra number मिल जाएगा. And 166 square is 27556, right? 166 square is 2, and what is our number? Our number is, so sorry, I have written a mistake here. It should be 166 square minus what? 27285. Okay, once difference will be what? 166 square minus 27285. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So how much
Yes, ma'am.
it is? I cannot resume to the main slide. कैसे करें? Okay. Now I can resume. The slide is not resuming. Why? Okay. Now is it correct? So 166 square is equal to 27556. That, and now it is correct, right? 166 square difference will be of 166 square minus 27285, and that is 27556 minus 27285, and that gives us what? 271. That means 271 should be added to 27285, then we will get a perfect square. Is it clear or any confusion?
I'm clear.
Clear? Just, or should I repeat what we have
Yes.
done? It is clear?
Ma'am, please repeat it.
From where did you didn't understand? From there I will be repeating.
Ma'am,
Okay.
the perfect square, the less than 27285. Ma'am, from this, the second line.
Okay, see. 165 is not is giving us a remainder. That means the square of 165 is less than this number or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? First tell me. 165 का स्क्वायर इससे कम होगा या नहीं? पहले बताओ 165 का स्क्वायर कितना है? तो हमने निकाला है. I have taken out already. That is 27225. It is less than our given number or not? Or obviously होगा when it requires more 60.
Yes, ma'am.
No? Yes. That means 165 is not our required number. Then we will be checking the next perfect square, and which will be the next number for getting the perfect square? Obviously we have to square the next number or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So that's 166.
Yes.
That means our number lies between 165 square and 166 square. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am.
the question says what must be added to or subtracted to? added बोला है कि
Ma'am,
subtracted
what be added to? What be added to?
तो हम आगे वाले नंबर के साथ डिफरेंस आगे वाले नंबर के साथ जाएंगे कि पीछे वाले नंबर के साथ जाएंगे?
Ma'am, with 166 square.
राइट तो अगर हम 166 स्क्वायर का डिफरेंस हमारे नंबर से देख लेंगे तो हमें पता नहीं चल जाएगा कितना नंबर और जोड़ना है?
Yes, ma'am.
अब समझ में आया कि अभी भी नहीं आया?
Ma'am, आ गया.
अच्छा, one thing you have observed, this whole question is based on statements only. Right? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes,
So,
ma'am.
if you will be writing just the numbers, nothing can be explained. So you have to use these statements to write your answer, show your working. Understood? Without
Yes,
these
ma'am.
statements, without
Yes,
these
ma'am.
statements, the question has no sense. Is it true or not?
Ma'am, ma'am, in Skype somebody, ma'am, in Skype somebody has turned on.
Okay. Who has turned on the camera? Now it's okay? Is it visible to everyone now? Okay. Now let's move to the next set. It was added to. Now subtracted to is very simple. You have understood what should be added to. Now subtracted to is very simple. You have to just the same number I have taken so that you can understand. So what we will do, we will be just subtracting the remainder from the number and we will be getting the number. Understood? Subtracted to is very simple. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Subtracted to is very
Yes.
simple. The same thing what I did. 2785 is not a perfect square since we get 60 as the remainder. So what we will do? We will subtracting 60 from there. So what we get? 27225 and 27225 is the square of 165. Yes or no? Right? So
Yes, ma'am.
60 is the number which should be subtracted. I hope you have understood both the methods.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's see what your IQ says. Ninth one. Find the least number of 6 digit that is a perfect square. Okay. Least number means what? First tell me.
Ma'am, the smallest 6-digit number.
That is okay. So which technique should be applied? Added to or subtracted to get a perfect square?
Ma'am, added to.
Added to.
Added to.
Understood? Understood the question? Right. So I'm doing 6-digit number is 1 lakh. I think so. Right? Am I correct or wrong? So I have taken out the prime factor for you. Sorry, long division method with the square root. That means 316. But it is not giving us a perfect square. Yes or no? So what I will do? I will be checking for 317 square. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And that means 317 square because it has not been asked to add it to. So 317 square, whatever is the square of 317 will be our answer because they have asked for the number. They have not asked for the added, what should be added or subtracted. Right or wrong? Yes or no? The
Yes,
question
ma'am.
they have
Yes,
asked for
ma'am.
the number. They have not asked. If they have asked what should be added, then what was the number? 489. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
But in this question, they have just asked the number. So what should be the, now if I have to, for greatest number, what should I do? Which technique? Greatest number
Subtract.
Right, subtraction technique. So what I will do, just simply get the long division number with the help of which I will be getting the number and subtracting the remainder from it and I will be getting the answer. So understood now clearly the application of added to and subtracted to technique. Have you understood both the things? क्या होता है added to और क्या होता है subtracted to और क्या है उसका application? समझ में आया कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Application समझ में आया नहीं? How to apply it, have you understood or not? Have you understood how to apply it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Now,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next type of thing is, which we will be dealing is, okay, come to 11th one. 11th one. 11th one says, same, we have done this type of question in we have done in factors also. 6 LCM and HCF methods also, but this time they are saying in LCM and HCF method, remember previously you did this type of question, divisibility. Is it divisible with or not factors and multiples chapter? Yes or no? But here they
Yes.
are saying we have to find out that number, a number, square number. But they are in this question they are saying which type? They are saying we have to find a square number. Understood?
Yes,
Understood or
ma'am.
not? So the method will be same. First step we will be I am taking 6, 11 and 12. So first find out what is the LCM. Please tell me the LCM of 6, 11 and 12. What should be the LCM of 6, 11 and 12?
Ma'am, 132.
It's easy, 132. And what we do next? We take out the, what we take out? Prime factors? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the prime
Yes, ma'am.
factor? What is the prime factor of 132 first? Come on, tell me. You will be telling me, yes or no? इतना टाइम लग रहा है?
Ma'am, 2, 2, 3 and 11.
Am I correct? So next step what we
Yes,
do?
ma'am.
We have done this type of question. Next step what we do? We make out pairs. Yes or no?
Yes.
So only
Yes,
one
ma'am.
pair is left. Only one pair is made. Yes or no? So
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
we need more what? 3 into 11. If we 3 into 11 is extra required or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 3 multiplied by 11. That is, we require more 33. If 33 is the number required, right? So if 33 is multiplied to 132, right? We will be getting a what? Perfect square. Yes or no? A number which is divisible,
Yes.
a perfect square number which is divisible by 6, 11 and 12. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is the number. We have to find out the number. 132 multiplied by 33 is how much?
Ma'am, 4,356.
Any other answer? So that I can verify. Anyone challenging the answer?
Ma'am, 4,356.
Okay. Okay, my dear students, whatever you have understood the method and more questions are given in the examples also, so you will do it. Okay? Okay, now
Okay,
let's
ma'am.
come to the 12th one. Let's come to the 12th one. 12th one, it's an oral one. The students of a school went on an educational trip. If each student contributed as many as rupees as there are students and the total amount collected is 2704 2704, find the number of students who went for the trip. Means what? the number of students is equal to the amount collected, right? And so amount total not the number of students is equal to amount given by each student. Yes or no? मीन्स अगर एक स्टूडेंट है उसने 1 रुपए दिए हैं तो अगर उसको मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 1 आया, टोटल अमाउंट 1 ही तो कलेक्ट हुआ. कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया? सो इफ आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट, मेरी बात समझ में आई या नहीं? अगर दो स्टूडेंट हैं और दोनों ने पर हेड ने 1 रुपए दिए हैं, पर हेड ने 1 रुपए तो 2 रुपए हुए, तो टोटल अमाउंट कितना हुआ? 2 रुपए पर ईच दिया है तो कितना हुआ? 4 हुआ. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what should I do to get out the total number of students from here? If I take out the square root of 2704, then I will be getting the number of students. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, will you be able
Yes,
to
ma'am.
calculate? You can use any method. Prime factor. I have already told you can use any method. Long division also and prime factorization also. It's up to you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's come to the 13th one. In a school of 4,500 students, the PT teacher wants to make students sit in rows. In such a way that the number of students in each row is the same as the number of rows. Find out how many students are left out as a result of this arrangement. So, left out means what? First, tell me which technique of, it's clear that we have to take out square root of 4,500. Yes or no? Yes, or no? But it's saying left out. Left out means what? How can you get left out? By applying which technique or method?
Long division method.
Right. Will prime factorization method will give us left out? No. Because it is giving us factors. Yes or no? Multiples. But we need added or subtracted number. Right? What is added on? So, extra. So, it will be, we can get it with the help of long division method only. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's come to the 14th, right? The area of a square park. So it's easy that we need what? Square root only, square park. But it is equal to the area is equal to the rectangular field of 96 meter and 54 meter. Find the length of the side of the square. That means what? Area of the square is equal to the area of rectangle. So for that, what we have to do? First, we have to take out the area of the rectangle. Yes or no? And what is the area of rectangle? That is 96 multiplied by 54. Equal to how much? Fast calculate out.
Ma'am, 5,184.
5,184.
Achha. In order to find out the square root of, if we have to find out the side of a square, side multiplied by side is equal to area of the square. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Side will be what?
Yes, ma'am.
Side will be what? Under root of area?
Yes, ma'am.
So area, just now the question said that the area of a square and area of the rectangle is equal. And we have just now calculated out that area, the area of the rectangle is 5184, which is equal to the area of the square. So can't we calculate out the square root and get the side? Can't we calculate out the square root and get the side of the square?
Ma'am, we can get.
Understood the concept behind the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Last one will be done by you. Okay, last one will be done by you the same time. Okay. Simple divided by, I'm giving you the hint. The product of the two numbers is given. If one of them is 2 times the other, find the other. Okay? It will be done by you. Let's see. You can solve it or not. Right? So with this, I end your chapter. Oh, sorry, exercise 3.2. We are left with one exercise, that is 3.3. So can you tell me what's your homework for today? What
Ma'am,
homework?
to complete the exercise 3.2.
Yes, you have to complete exercise
Ma'am,
3. Okay? Any other thing
Yes,
you want
ma'am.
to ask? Any other thing you want to ask? No?
No.
So thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.